Okay, sweetie, you can open your box from Grandma and Grandpa.
What is it, Mommy?
I don't know. Open it. Bring the bag forward over here, in front of us, in front of you. You can stay right there. Stay right there. You can rip the bag. You can break the bag.
Mommy?
Break the bag, sweetie.
What's this?
I think it's a pumpkin teddy bear. Is it closed? Wow! Move the bag out of the way, sweetie. All right! I think those are pajamas. Hold them up. Let's see them. I think those are pajamas, Layla. And then you got a pumpkin with candy in it. And you got, oh wow.
Can you open this one up?
Yes, we can. Can you say, wave bye to the camera? Can you say thank you?
Thank you.